Welcome to Economics and Personal Finance. I'm your teacher, Dr. Holla, and I'm going to take you through a quick run through of your entire course. When you come in, the top tab you're going to see is actually going to be assignments, and in it you're going to see this video. You're then going to see an overview of all the topics that you're going to do this year. Then you're going to see quarter by quarter your due dates. So for example, if you started with this in the very first part of the year, you're going to see the quarter due dates. You want to make folders on your computer with Unit 1, and you can put all the assignments in there for Unit 1, then another folder for Unit 2. You want to put all these folders inside of an EPF folder. If you come in here later, then I'm going to make a copy of each of the quarter sheets and give you your personal due dates. Once you go into it, you have all the units. So for the first week, you have to do all of Unit 1. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Lesson 1 first. And this is just like you're in class, except you're going to be watching videos and PowerPoints and whatnot. So let's click on the introduction and the basics. And you're going to get this a lot. You're going to click to start the unit package. You're now outside of Blackboard. You're going to read this, and then you're going to click on the plus sign. Read this, and then there's a little quiz which will load. You're going to answer the questions, fill in the dots, and then hit the arrow. And then you're going to click on the plus by Lesson 1. Here's the overview. Then you go to Topic 1. Do it. Here's the activity that you're going to be doing later. Unit 2. You're going to get a narrated PowerPoint by Mike Kowalski, who's our principal. You don't have to listen to his narration. If you just prefer to read it, you just click here.
What is financial planning?
Sorry, click there.
Let's look at the planning process.
Click there. And you can stop it as often
Financial
as you
planning
want by
process
just
is like
clicking on the pause button and then going forward. So you have to go through Topic 3, Topic 2, Topic 3, and the assignment and the reflection. Again, the assignments you're going to actually give to me in a different place, so you don't have to worry about there. So I'm going to click off of this. You notice they're breadcrumbs, so I'm going back to Lesson 1. You're going to do how do you value money, which is a little quiz, and it's going to be 5 things you have to rank, and then a short answer. When you do short answers, make sure they're at least 3 or 4 lines. Then you're going to watch a video. A YouTube video comes up. You're going to play it.
by setting goals is why.
There is a tendency for some people to think I can just skip everything and go to the assignments. This course is designed for you to do all of them, and people who do all of them will pass the WISE test in April, which is equal to an SOL and counts as one. And remember, you have a midterm, which you have to do in person, and a final, which you're doing in person. So you can't skip. Then you have your assignment, which is here. You're going to open it up, save it on your computer, follow the instructions. When you're done, you click here, and you have it again, but you don't have to download it again. You can write me a note if you have to, but you don't have to write it. Then you browse to the computer, you find wherever you put it, you would push open. I'm not going to do that now. The key thing here is you got to push submit. If you simply push open, I get nothing. You think you turned it in and you didn't. So you submit it. Then remember the breadcrumbs. You're still in Lesson 1. You now have to, you're in Unit 1. You still have to do Unit 2. And this is just to set up, in this case, the EverFi registration. EverFi is right here. To do it, you use this code, use this link, and when you get there, they're going to ask for all of these items. So I'm just going to go back, and you're going to do Lesson 3, Lesson 4, the review, and then the test, and then you're going to check, did I do everything for the week? Absolutely I did. I did it by the date. It has to be midnight of every Thursday. And then the next week you're going to go on, and you can of course get ahead if you'd like. Going back to Blackboard. We already did EverFi. In the second half of the course you're going to do the stock market game. Stock market game, you're going to click here, use HOLLA 2014 as your code, and then you're going to have to make a certain number of trades, which you'll find out later. I've also put how to pick a stock video and 5 tips for buying and selling stocks so that you can actually make money. And again, we'll talk about this later. Weekly chats. You won't see moderator chat, but you are going to click here, 8 p.m. every Thursday. You'll be taken to something called Blackboard Collaborate. We will have our sessions together. Then what you're going to do is if you click to recorded session, if you want to see something over again, recorded sessions each week will be put, in this case it would be put here. But since some of you are coming in different times, you're going to have a choice. Do you want to listen to the 45 to 60 minutes? That's fine. Or do you want to, I've made a video each week. For example, this week you have several. How to complete your assignments, this video that you're watching. How to set up EverFi. And here's a video on opportunity cost and market economy, which is the first week's items. And then you're going to have the PowerPoint should you want to see that as well. And you're going to see as you go through the year, I'm going to have the same thing for each week so that you can go back and look at it each week if you're coming in late or if you just want to review. Last, you have my grades. I can't click on it, but you can click on it and you can see the assignments. I'm grading Monday through Friday, so if you turn it on Monday, Tuesday I will grade it. Friday I will send you a grade sheet. You want to check the grade sheet versus what I've sent you. To reach me, you click on my name and it will pop up and you got my email and home phone number. By all means, call me at home, but if you leave a message, I'm going to tell you that I rarely check it. So call me again if you want to talk to me in person. But I check my email all the time, so if you email me with a number that I can reach you because I may be out, I will call you back pretty quickly. This is all the things you need to know other than Thursday night. Again, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock is our chat time. All the assignments are due at midnight on Thursday. Each week is going to take you 3 or 4 hours. You need to plan accordingly and communicate with me when you have questions. Good luck!